Hey everyone, in this video we'll be going over this SAT non-calculator problem. In the equations above, B and C represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken, respectively, X weeks after July 1st during last summer. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? And the equations are B equals 2.35 plus 0.25x and C is equal to 1.75 plus 0.40x. So what we do know for now is that B is equal to the price per pound of beef, and C is just the same thing, but it's chicken, right? So this is the price per pound of beef and the price per pound of chicken. Now, let's look at our question here and what we're trying to solve for. So what was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? And so the important word here is equal. So since we know that that B and C are equal, so B is equal to C, what we can do now is we can set our two equations equal to each other. So now we can get 2.35 plus 0.25x is equal to 1.75 plus 0.40x. Now we can combine like terms. So let's go ahead and subtract both sides by 0.25x. 0.25x. So now our new equation is 2.35 is equal to 1.75, and then 0.40 minus 0.40 minus 0.25, you get 5, and so this becomes 0.15. So plus 0.15x. Now we do the same thing with the numbers that weren't with the x. So now we subtract both sides by 1.75. So now let's go ahead and do our math again. So 2.35 minus 1.75. So you get 0. It becomes 13. This becomes 6, 1, and 0. So it's 0.60. Okay, so now 0.60 is equal to 0.15x. And now we can divide both sides by 0.15 to isolate x, since x is what we're solving for here. So now what we get is x is equal to 0.60 divided by 0.15, which is, so now we carry the two decimal points, so 15 divided by 60, and that is just 4. So this would be equal to 4. So now that we know that x is equal to 4, we can sub in. Now we can sub it in to our equation. So x equals 4 is not our final answer. Now that we sub it into our equation, we have to find what the price per pound of beef or chicken was. So in this case, you can sub it into either equation. So let's go ahead and do that. So now let's just sub it into our C equation. C is equal to 1.75 plus 0.40 times 4, which is our x value. So now 0.40 times 4 is 1.60 is equal to 1.75 plus 1.60. And now 1.60 plus 1.75 is 5. 6 plus 7 is 13. So 3.35. C is equal to 3.35. And our units is dollars. That's our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to watch out for more videos in the future.